When it comes to improving the security, energy efficiency, and aesthetic appeal of your home, door installation plays a crucial role. Whether you're replacing an old door, installing a new one, or upgrading to a more stylish option, the importance of professional door installation in Lexington cannot be overstated. While it might be tempting to tackle a door installation project yourself, hiring a professional can provide significant advantages that save you time, money, and stress in the long run. Expertise and experience. One of the main reasons to hire a professional for door installation in Lexington is the level of expertise and experience they bring to the table. Professionals are trained to handle a variety of door types, from traditional wooden doors to modern steel or fiberglass options. They understand the intricacies involved in each type of door and have the skills necessary to install them correctly the first time. Attempting a DIY installation without the proper knowledge can lead to mistakes that compromise the functionality and safety of the door. For example, a poorly installed door may not seal properly, leaving your home vulnerable to drafts, moisture, or even security breaches. With a professional, you can rest assured that the door will be installed securely and to the highest standards. Quality of work. When you hire a professional, you're not just paying for the installation service, you're also paying for the quality of their work. Professionals have access to high-quality materials and the latest tools to ensure that every part of the installation process is done to perfection. Their attention to detail ensures that your door will operate smoothly and look great for years to come. A DIY installation, on the other hand, may result in an uneven fit, misalignment, or improper installation that can cause the door to wear out prematurely. Professionals can ensure that your door not only looks good but functions as it should, offering lasting performance. Time-saving. Door installation can be a time-consuming task, especially if you're unfamiliar with the process. From removing the old door to ensuring the new one fits properly, there are several steps involved. For someone without the necessary experience, it can take hours or even days to complete the job. By hiring a professional, you can get the job done quickly and efficiently, leaving you with more time to focus on other important tasks. In addition, professionals are equipped with all the necessary tools, so there's no need for you to worry about purchasing or renting specialized equipment. They also know the best techniques to speed up the process without sacrificing quality. Proper installation for energy efficiency. A properly installed door can make a significant difference in your home's energy efficiency. Gaps or misalignment can allow drafts to enter, causing your heating and cooling systems to work harder than necessary. A well-installed door, on the other hand, provides a tight seal that helps maintain the temperature inside your home. This not only makes your home more comfortable but can also reduce energy bills by preventing air loss. Professionals understand the importance of ensuring your door is installed with the proper weather stripping and insulation, helping you achieve maximum energy efficiency. Increased home security. When it comes to your home's security, the quality of your doors matters. A professionally installed door offers enhanced protection, as it will be securely fastened and properly aligned. Whether you're installing an entry door, patio door, or garage door, a professional will ensure that it locks and functions correctly, giving you peace of mind that your home is safe. DIY installations can sometimes result in doors that don't close properly or locks that don't engage as they should, leaving your home vulnerable to break-ins. Professionals can install advanced locking mechanisms and ensure the door is structurally sound, providing an extra layer of security. Cost-effective in the long run. While it might seem like hiring a professional is an added expense, it can actually be more cost-effective in the long run. DIY mistakes can lead to costly repairs or the need to replace the door entirely. If the installation isn't done correctly, you may face issues with energy efficiency, security, or the door's overall function, all of which could lead to extra expenses. By hiring a professional from the start, you're ensuring that the installation is done right, reducing the risk of needing future repairs or replacements. Conclusion: hiring a professional for door installation in Lexington is a wise investment that ensures your door is installed correctly, efficiently, and securely. With their expertise, quality workmanship, and attention to detail, professionals will provide a level of service that far exceeds what a DIY job can offer. Not only will you save time and stress, but you'll also enjoy long-term benefits such as improved energy efficiency, increased home security, and a door that adds to the overall beauty and value of your home. When it comes to such an important home improvement project, trust the professionals to get the job done right.